What's up, guys? Offroad Game Vids here, back for another video. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a first gear hill climb challenge with the Dodge. I love this truck. It's probably my favorite. So, first gear, and then here's the hill climb. It goes way up through there. It's steep. I already done it once. Alright, so here we go. First gear. Come on, baby. And it keeps going. There we go. Pretty steep, huh? This is pretty much just a bonus video for you guys. Reset. Let's do a little bit of rolling. I believe I can fly. Alright, guys, hope you all enjoyed this little bonus video. This is on map 2, and the location is right there where the yellow dot is. Or the yellow triangle is. That's where I am. That's where this hill climb is. On map 2. An awesome hill climb. Alright, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little hill climb video. Please subscribe if you're new. If you're watching this video and you ain't subscribed to me, please subscribe to me. Turn on my post notifications so that way y'all can get notified on every video upload that I will, because I'd hate for you guys to miss one of my uploads. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Peace.